Hello scientists, Dr. Pumpkin here with a rather tasty Science of Colour Science Sundays experiment. To try this at home, you're only going to need a few things. Some water, some sugar-coated sweeties and a plate. Oh, and you're going to need permission from whoever owns the sweeties. If I use Professor Pickle's sweeties in my experiments without asking first, he does get rather cross. Got everything? Right. All you need to do is arrange your sweeties on your plate in a pattern, pour on your water and watch what happens. These sweeties are pure sugar, so they dissolve in water. When something dissolves in a substance like water, it might look like it's disappeared, but it hasn't. It's mixed with the water to make a transparent or see-through liquid called the solution. And when things dissolve, they're called soluble. Look at all of the patterns that are created when the sugar dissolves and the food colouring runs. Why don't you try it yourself and see what patterns you can make? See you next time, scientists!